This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your AirPods have enough charge and are paired to the device. Once done, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and select your AirPods. Make sure system updates are installed so noise features are supported. Now, with AirPods in your ears, tap the volume or control center to confirm audio is routed to them. This initial connection step is critical because active noise cancellation settings sync only after an authenticated, up-to-date pairing. You now enable active noise cancellation. Open Control Center or Bluetooth device options and select noise cancellation. Once selected, listen and compare transparency to notice how ANC removes low-frequency hum. Make sure to adjust ear tips or headband tension so you have a good physical seal. ANC depends on that passive isolation. If using iPhone, press and hold volume to see ANC controls. After configuring, test with music and spoken voice to confirm the desired balance between silence and awareness. Finish by fine-tuning. Enable headphone accommodations or adjust EQ in settings to emphasize frequencies that ANC leaves behind. If noise cancellation seems weak or intermittent, remove and reinsert AirPods, then reset them by holding the setup button until the light flashes amber then white. Repair to your device. Make sure vents are clean and firmware is current. If problems persist, test with another device to isolate whether the issue is the AirPods or the source, and contact support if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.